Hi friends, welcome to SIRCANDRAWN LDCE classes. In this class we are going to see some objective questions related staff benefit fund. Okay, let us start the class. Chairman of SBF staff benefit fund on Central Railway is Principal Chief Personnel Officer. What is the amount per employee given per year by the government in SBF? Rupees 500. Who is the chairman of headquarter level committee of the SBF? Principal Chief Personnel Officer. What is the full name of CSBF, Central Staff Benefit Fund? In which year the SBF was implemented in the railways? 1931. Can the removed employee participate in the meeting of the SBF? No. They substitute employee in their place. How much amount can be paid from the SBF if employee has replaced one tooth? Rupees 5,000. How much amount can be paid from SBF one set of teeth? Rupees 10,000. How much amount of honorarium is given to Ayurvedic or homeopathic physician in per year month? Rupees 15,000. On Ayurvedic or homeopathic physicians, 4 hours working every day, how much is given in the form of honorarium every month? Rupees 9,000. Can the passes be issued to the employee to participate in the meeting of the SBF? True. Who is the authorized to nominate, select the members of the SBF? Principal Chief Personnel Officer. Who is the secretary of the Central Staff Benefit Fund? Principal Chief Personnel Officer, Industrial Dispute and Relations. Who is the secretary of the Central Staff Benefit Fund? Labor and Welfare. Senior Personnel Officer, Labor and Benefits. SPO, Labor and Welfare. What is the total representation of the union in the Central Staff Benefit Fund? 7 plus 7 is equal to 14. CRMS 7 and NRMU 7. What is the number of representation of the union in SBF in division? 1 plus 1. 1 from CRMS, 1 from NRMU, 1 from OBS and 1 from SCST. What is the tenure of the SBF committee in the division? 1 year. How many times does the SBF meeting in the year? 2 times. Who issue the final decision in case of dispute on any disputes of issue of SBF members? Principal Chief Personnel Officer. How much money is reserved for women employment through SBF? Rupees 23. How much money from rupees 500 is reserved for education in the SPF? Rupees 72.75 paise. What is the ratio of male and female of children and age are determined in the camps organized by the SBF for the children of railway employees? 3:1 and age is 15 years. What is the scholarship amount for higher technical or professional education of female and male child for a staff up to level 4? For female, rupees 1,500 per month and male rupees 1,500 per month. The amount of scholarship that is given for technical education under the education of the SBF is reserved for the children of AC employees. Tell me what percent. What is the amount reserved for the children of ST employee from the scholarship that is given for technical education scheme for the employees benefit? 7.5%. How many students are given a scholarship from the SBF on Central Railway? 200. Departmental or workshop employee benefit fund subcommittee to whom is the audited financial report of the submitted to the Central Staff Benefit Fund Committee. In which Indian and ancient medical system, homeopathic and dispensaries can be opened and where? In all the division and from the SBF. Whether the member of the Railway Protection Force are eligible for benefits the SBF? True. How much assistance can be approved on SBF per month? Rupees 10,000 per month on non-payment basis without pay leave. How many aids can be approved per day on kidney disease, cancer and HIV disease from SBF? Rupees 15,000 per month. If kept under railway sick leave. How much rupees are charged per day from the gazetted officer to the holiday home? Rupees 25. How many rupees are repayable for retired class 4 employees for holiday home per day? Rupees 50. How many rupees per day are available per day for retired group C employee for the holiday home? Rupees 50. How many rupees are charged per day for retired junior administrative pay scale JAG or below GP officer? Rupees 60 per day. How many rupees is charged per day for holiday home suit from retired JA grade officer? Rupees 120. How much time can the holiday home be used for maximum time by the staff? 3 days. How much is the amount provided to the female group D employee on SBA for 10th standard or graduation during the tenure, and how long does this plan come from? Rupees 15,000 and rupees 25,000. All type of fines are deposited in the fund, staff benefit fund. Whether in chemistry, engineering, BE and science, MBBS is the description percentage fixed for? Yes, 30% of the each degree of total scholarship. How many rupees are given to the technical scholarship to the children of railway employees? Rupees 18,000. How many children of a railway employee can be given the technical scholarship together? 2. Can retired railway employee member of railway cooperative society? False. Can Indian Railway issue subsidy grants to non-railway schools? Yes, the general manager can issue a consultation with the chief advisor and accounting officer. Educational aids reimbursement is payable for how many children? First 2 children payable. After how many days can the casual labor be given temporary status in the open line? 120 days. Who is the competent authority to appoint a new casual labor? General manager. Is casual labor entitled to the benefits of GIS? False. Is it necessary to use D&A before removing a temporary employee from the service? False. What percent of the service taken after receiving temporary status is calculated for settlement payment? 50%. Is it necessary to have a medical examination before giving temporary status to the casual labor? True. Rate of maintenance grant in case of cancer is rupees 15,000 per month. Employee can appeal in High Court against CAT judgment. True. Where is the convalescence home of Eastern Railway? Baidyanath Dham. Where is the convalescence home of AC Railways? Ranchi. Where is the convalescence home of Southern Railway? Kannur. What amount is paid as reimbursed of artificial limb through SBF? 30,000. What amount is paid through SBF to a railway employee if he undergoes a family planning operation after the birth of 2 girls? Rupees 25,000. What amount is paid through SBF for braille equipment for the disabled employees or ward? Rupees 30,000. What is the amount paid per year for deaf and dumb, blind and mentally retarded awards of railway employees? Rupees 18,000. What is the amount of reimbursement for spectacles? Rupees 2,500. After how many years can a railway employee apply for reimbursement of spectacles? 3 years. What amount is paid as a special award for a special disabled girl child pursuing a professional course? Rupees 25,000. If a lady employee in grade 1800 completed her SSC after appointment in railway, how much amount is paid to her through SBF? Rupees 25,000. What is the one-time award a grade C lady gets after finishing her higher studies like graduation after appointment? Rupees 15,000. How many days after leave without pay is a railway employee entitled for maintenance grant through SBF? 30 days. What is the minimum amount paid to a railway employee who is in railway sick and without pay for more than 30 days? 10,000 per month for normal disease and 15,000 per month for critical illness. How much amount is sanctioned for a year through SBA for conducting children camp? 5 lakh. How much amount is sanctioned per year through SBA for conducting employee camp? 5 lakh. What is the age limit for female railway employee to be eligible for the employees camp? 40 years. What is the age limit for male railway employee to be eligible for the employee camp? 45 years. What is the holiday home charges per day for a grade C railway employee? Rupees 30. What is the revised rates for honorarium payable at to homeopathic or Ayurvedic practitioner per month for daily duty of 4 hours? Rupees 17,000. Who is the chairman of the divisional SBF committee? Senior divisional personnel officer. Who is the secretary of the divisional SBF committee? APO welfare. Okay friends, here we are seeing and discussing some objectives regarding our exam purpose, which is very necessary and which is very beneficial for our coming exam. Okay, this is the question related staff benefit fund. Okay, thank you.